Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about how it's gotten a lot easier to roll options at Robinhood, at least since the last time I used Robinhood, which was early in 2021. It's been a while since I've been back and taken a look at the platform, but I'm trying it out again and I'm pleasantly surprised about, how easy they make it to roll covered calls specifically. And that's what I want to show you in this video, show you how it's done in Robinhood currently and the clunky way that you used to have to do it. But before we get started, please take a moment to go ahead and find the subscribe button for my channel, the like button for this video, and let's get into it. Now you might be wondering, Duke of Early Retirement, I thought you were a Tasty Trade guy. And well, yeah, I have been using Tasty Trade for a while to trade options. It's a great platform for that, specifically designed for options. But recently, dipping a toe back into Robinhood and trying it out again, and might consider switching everything over to Robinhood at some point in the future. But hey, that's a topic for another video. Today, the focus is on how to roll covered calls on Robinhood. So let's take a look at that. Now you can see here in this portfolio, I have 100 shares of IWM, and I have a short call sold against those shares. So I've got my 100 shares and I've got a short 187 call on IWM that is set to expire on July 7th. And if we notice, the price of IWM right now is right there, right around or right below my call strike price. 186.26 is the price of IWM. My call strike price is 187. So I might want to roll this. It's a great time to maximize the extrinsic value and sell some additional premium against this to move out in time, possibly even move up in strike price on this covered call position. So the way to do it, actually, let's start with the way you used to do it on Robinhood. Okay, the way you used to do it was you would have to click on the call, go down to view all options, and kind of find your option. First of all, let's see. So I have the one I have right now. Here we go. Short this 187 call. So first I would have to buy this back, right? So I'm set to buy call and I add that, adds it to my order to buy back the call that I'm short. And then I would have had to go ahead and sell another call. So probably in the future, I could either sell a call at the same strike price, pick up a little bit of credit, in this case 17 cents, or maybe even further out in time, maybe go even further out and roll up my strike price. Here I could roll up to 188 and roll out an additional, what is that? About 21 days and pick up $1.53 in credit, which would be $153. Anyway, that was the old way. And then you would kind of build out your order, review, and put it through that way. But now in Robinhood, there is a much better way, a much easier way to do this. So let's start over, start in the same place on our homepage, or on the Robinhood homepage, and click on this call that I'm short. And instead of clicking view all options, I'm going to click this button down here, roll this position. When you click roll this position, it takes you basically right to your, it adds your current position right here. Okay, so it's going to be buy to close, that short call that I have that expires on the 7th. And then down here it says pick a new position, and your selected option will appear here. So all I have to do is select the new option that I want to roll to. And so in this case, I could select the same strike price and just move this out a few days and pick up 19 cents credit. That's definitely an option. Or maybe I want to change the expiration date out even further. So let's say July 21st and roll up to maybe the 188 strike. And that's pretty nice. So that's moving it out in time by 14 days, picking up an additional $95 in credit, and moving my strike price up another dollar to hopefully stay out ahead of this IWM upward movement. Anyway, the point of this video is to show you how easy it is to roll covered calls, and that's what I want to focus on here. So I am actually going to be rolling this covered call, but in the process, you can just see how easy it is. So I built out this order. We're going to buy to close my current position. We're going to sell to open this new position. We're going to add 14 days of time. Our net credit is going to be 95 cents maybe, and that's it. We can click continue. It says low fill likelihood, but I always like to put in the price that I'm willing to take. So let's try for 94 cents. Now it's a medium fill likelihood. Well, we'll just see if I get filled. Let's review this. Minimum credit, $94. There's the order summary, buy to close the 187, expiring July 7th, sell to open the 188 call, expiring July 21st. Submit. It's pending, it's placed. I'm done. And what we can do is go back out to the main Robinhood page, and now you can see that pending order there, covered call roll with the 94 limit price. And click on this, you can see the bid and the ask. We're kind of right in the middle here. So, oh, there it is. It was filled. Filled just like that. Filled for 94 cents. And so now I still have my 100 shares. I still have my short call position, but now it's been rolled out to July 21st, picked out additional credit. And yeah, it's as easy as that on Robinhood now. Very easy. Is it as slick and easy as it is on Tasty Trade? Probably not, but it depends on your perspective. I think Tasty Trade presents a better interface for those who really know what they're doing, are concerned about, are watching their theta numbers and their delta numbers, and maybe especially rolling more complex positions. I mean, this is a simple covered call roll. But as far as rolling a simple option like that, I don't see how Robinhood could make it any easier. And it's very friendly, especially for beginners. It's just that one button, roll this position, and all you have to do just tells you right here, pick the new position, and you're on your way. But that's all the rolling I'm going to do for today. I'm happy with this position for now. And what if you're not a middle-aged guy like me and you like to do things on your phone and not on a website on your computer? Well, Robinhood has got you covered there as well. The process is very similar, where you log in on your phone, select your call option in this case, tap trade, and then tap roll position. They give you a little optional educational experience here, and otherwise you can just say start rolling, and it loads in your existing position, and then you can select a new position. Easy as that. Tap it, go to the options chain, and can change the date, change the strike, whatever you need to do. Loads in the new position. If that looks good, you tap continue. You can review the order, put in your limit price, just like you can on the website. And when you're all ready to go, you simply swipe up to submit. Easy as that. Well, that's what I have for you in this video. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more videos on saving, investing, and early retirement. Thanks for watching.